John here, doing my second DIY video on how to mount a motor for your disco ball. I'm gonna mount my camera here on my stand so we hopefully you can see this better. And I've been working on this project. I did a video before, but I'm gonna just stick this here, and I'm gonna try and show you how I was grinding this hole here, this stand or mount. As you can see, it's different than it was before. Still has the bolts and the wing nuts, but it is a lot narrower. I've managed to get some more off. Probably hear some music in the background. That's just from my Apple TV. But now I want to take some of this off, so I'm going to drill some holes to try and line it up. So what I've got here is my drill, and my battery is finally charged up. If I can remember where the heck I put it. That's always a problem with me, remembering where I put things. Okay, I know I got it. Alright, hold on, let me see. Did I put it on my chair and knock it off just now? People, if I knew where, oh, there it is. Okay, that was by my feet. Alright, so I got my drill battery here, locked and loaded. And I'm going to switch it all the way up to the big drill bit setting on here. There's a setting that allows me to change it for the torque. And now I'm going to get my large drill bit. Got to loosen up the chuck, I guess that's what it's called. Load that in there. What's wrong way? There we go. Make sure it's nice and tight in there. Now, instead of doing it on the other side, where the motor isn't, I'm going to do it on the side where the motor is, because I need to drill it so I can line it up and not make it too close. So, I'm going to go ahead and drill that hole, and then I'll show you what I've gotten so far, because I don't want to make the hole too close to the motor. And you gotta want to make sure that you don't put it by your leg. Otherwise, they'll drill a hole right into your leg. I kind of just have it away from my legs that way. There we go. Now you can see here I drilled the hole right by that. So that way I don't have to go any further when I'm grinding. And meanwhile, I'm going to keep drilling more holes, trying to chunk this off. I'm trying to chunk off as much of this as I can to make it as light as I can. Because it's rather hot out, I may only drill a few holes in here because it's very hot out. as you can see, I'm going slowly with this because I don't want to drill a hole into my hand. So I'm picking it up now this way. Basically, I'm kind of just grinding away at it with the drill. Oh, it was going backwards. Oops, that's why it wasn't going through. I didn't switch it to drilling outward. That's why it wasn't coming through. There we go. And it just popped through. Like that. But I think I'm going to do a little grinding on the other side. I will work on that other side later. I just wanted to show you how I get my guidelines set up. And now, let's take this piece out and show you how I kind of gouge out pieces. Get my, I know it's not exactly a gouging bit, but that's what I call it. Lock that in there. Alright. Now, I just kind of stick it in the board like that so that I can grind right through it.